Waiting on overdue invoices? QuickBooks can automatically send polite, professional payment reminders for you, saving you the awkward follow-up call. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The key is in your invoice settings. Go to Settings, then Account and Settings, and find the Reminders section under Sales. Here, you can turn on automatic payment reminders. You can customize the timing and tone. Set a reminder to go out a few days before an invoice is due, another when it's late, and more for 30, 60, or 90 days overdue. You can edit the default email message to keep it friendly and on-brand. My crucial pro tip? Use the statement tool for multiple overdue invoices. If a client has several late items, don't send individual reminders. Instead, go to the Customers tab, select the client, and choose Send Statement. This single document lists all outstanding invoices, which is often more effective and professional. Automate the nudge and spend your time on work that grows your business, not chasing payments. Do you use automatic reminders, or do you prefer a personal touch for follow UPS? I'd love to hear your strategy in the comments. For more tips on getting paid faster, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.